Oh shit, drop the camera. What's up guys, welcome back to another JJ Moto Vlog. I got some helmet hair right now, I got my gloves on, so you know what that means. We're riding. So I'm out here with my uncle actually. We just made the best purchase I've ever fucking made in my life. And my quad's gone, Paul's not here with us, but this is by far the best purchase I've ever made. Check this out guys. That's right guys. We got a fucking mini bike and this bitch rips.
Who is that?
Camera and everything, I was just like, this thing actually does some pretty good wheelies, and I went, let me see. Yeah, you crop dusted the fuck out of me.
Sorry, guys.
But I fucking came up here and I tried to do a little wheelie, and then it didn't turn out too good. I didn't get it high enough. I got up, did it again, had to put my feet down to stop myself. I need to get used to using the handbrake on that thing to do wheelies on it, but I got the mic on too and everything.
You remember how I did that wheelie up Main Street on the 125?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a pretty nice fucking wheelie on that.
Watch, he'll come right up this bitch.
Hey!
Show him the hill climb! Guys, watch this hill climb, for real. Right up and over. And guys, I know you don't know how steep this is, but like, look at how angled my feet are. This is steep. It's almost straight up and down at one point, bro. It's crazy. But alright guys, I'm going to stop recording. We're going to have some fun for a little bit, and I'll record whenever I feel like it. 21 miles per hour top speed. But yeah guys, we would be going out to our normal riding spot and stuff, but we just really do not have enough gas in this thing. This is not even a gas tank. I have a 1.5 gallon gas tank at the bottom here, but I don't have a very big gas tank, so I'm gonna have to be carrying gas with me a lot. So, this is probably going to be an edited snippet, so I'm going to go like this so I can see it. This is where I'll crop, and then I'll just choose when to not crop. Average speed is 11, top speed is 21. I think I'm going to do digital though, if it'll let me switch. Yeah, it will. That's a little easier to see for you guys, I bet. But yeah, I had this phone mount. It came with an old tripod of mine. It has a little bar mount back here that hooked onto right under a ring light, and I never used this because I had other phone attachments that were better for a tripod. But this one's definitely better for a bike. And then I got my little guy here. And there's a lot of people kind of looking at me and shit, and I really don't want anyone to like start anything with me. I'm just waiting for Paul to get back here. That's pretty much it. Pretty much talking to myself. This is probably all going to be edited. So top speed with me, I'm 245 pounds. I'm 6'2". So top speed for me is 21 miles per hour downhill, about 19 to 20 miles per hour up or flat. Uphill's probably about 15, which isn't the greatest, but it gets you from point A to point B, and it's definitely a blast. You can do wheelies on this thing. We were doing it earlier. I'll actually show you guys that. Back here is all dented up where that mud is. It's all bent up from me scraping the back fender. So I think what I'm going to do is chop the back fender a little bit shorter and then put a scrape bar on the frame or something that'll come out here. I could even put stuff on it just so it doesn't bang up my front fender. Shouldn't take them long. We're just across town. If you guys have ever seen us ride the bikes up to or from the house. Kill switch is off. Whoa, rice burner. Gotta at least keep her warm, even if they're not coming. I thought they were coming, but they're not. It's one thing I always forget. I always forget my kill switch, and last night I forgot my phone on my bike on the mount, because I don't take the mount off. I just take my phone off. I did about 20 coming up here. Yeah, this thing's a little beast, guys. I'm sorry if I'm yelling into the mic. I don't know how sensitive this mic is. It's the first time I used it. This is also really loud. Ready? Downhill, top speed test again. Full throttle. Now I gotta take it easy. This thing has a lot of punch, as you can see. It kind of lifts the front wheel a little bit every time you get on it, but it's not very fast. But we are definitely going to get performance kits soon to put on this. Probably around Christmas time, I'll get them on there so I have time to work on it. And then once I get working on it and everything, and I actually once I get working on it and everything and I get that shit done, this thing will be a lot faster and we'll be able to ride it more and it'll be a lot more fun. I mean, it's, like I said, it's already a blast right now, but it has a lot of potential. I'm doing 15, 14 on a fucking, this isn't even my top speed. But yeah, Paul and Dante are up here. We're probably going to fuck around, do some hill climbs, get some clips, maybe do a little moto edit real quick. And then that's pretty much the whole video. I just wanted to introduce you guys. I didn't even tell you what her name is yet. Yes, it's a her, obviously, but her name's Cletus. I know that's a little funny, but I don't know where they went, actually. I thought they were up here with our stuff, but they must have went further. That or they're hiding, because they are a lot faster than me. Paul gets his bike up to 80. I only get mine up to, as you guys saw, 21. See if we can pop a little wheelie here. Little bit. There's one. She definitely gets up in wheelies. I gotta lean back a little further, but you'll see Nante on this bitch, and he fucking... he sends it. I'm looking for them, though, because I don't know where they went. They might have went up here, but I don't know. They're literally gone. I watched them come up, and then I tried to follow them. And unless they took a turn that I didn't... oh, they're behind me. my boys. My boys have returned. Oh, they're crop dusting me like a bitch, though. Holy shit. I definitely need to get a set of goggles, so if you guys know a cheap pair of riding goggles or anything like that, let me know, because I could really use it. I gotta make sure there's no cars behind me. This is a public area, and there's cars that come up here, that work up here. This is our local sportsman's. Top speed is 21. Top speed's 21. Let's see how fast it. Wear my helmet so you have the GoPro. I want to see how fast you can go with it. You good? Oh, okay. Yeah, buddy. Top speed was 21 miles per hour.
Oi, bitch tits. Come on, come here.
Hey, I already got it, dude. It's fine. My max speed was 21. What was yours?
19.
19? That's funny, because... Oh! I caught that on video, too! I got that! I caught that on video! Shit, that's crazy. But yeah. Wait, 1.44 miles. Average speed's 8 miles per hour coming up here. She's slow, but she fucking moves. I told them I was coming back up here because I lost you. I figured you went up there.
We went up there and then... No, we went down there.
Oh. Up around and came back. That's why I couldn't find you.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was telling the